Jai Bhole everybody, welcome to my channel Trambaka Tarot Readings. My name is Jasmine. Yes, I'm a little tilted because I wanted to for you guys to focus on Bholenath and the cards. So that's why I'm gonna just speak through and speak for a while. This reading is also going to be about a yes or no question along with the divine messages, the divine cards, whatever energy cards that come through. I'm gonna randomly pick through whatever I feel like and we'll continue the reading. I'm shuffling on camera because I've started this recently because a lot of people are liking it, that it is not preset, the cards are not being taken by me. Generally, this is what the message is exactly for you all. So without further ado, I'll start shuffling. If you guys find this boring, today there's no music, there's no mantra jap because my other phone is on the charger. So I'm just gonna randomly start shuffling and select the cards. Till then, probably you could just hope or pray for your question in your mind, and then we can continue. Let's start. We're going to have 4 choices for the people who are still watching me shuffling. We have 4 choices of decks to choose from. A little room here. Alright. So let's take 1, 2. Okay, all my pyramids are there. So we're gonna go with this, and we'll go with this. So here are your 4 choices. The first is this pyramid. Second, it also a pyramid. Third is the stone. Beautiful, one of my favorite stones. As you can see, I keep it all on my decks. And 4th choice is this. I'm still selecting cards, so it'll take a while. I'm just randomly picking up cards and I feel to. There's no specific order per se. So let's begin. Again, I'll give you guys choices to choose from. The first one is here, the second is here, third is here, and fourth is here. So the first group of people, please put across a question in your mind to which I can answer you in a yes or no. And your answer is a beautiful yes. Can you see the cards? Sun, Aces, Six of Wands, Wheel of Fortune, and Hermit. Your answer is a bang on yes. Your luck is going to pay you now. You're going to achieve success, and you've done it all by yourself. You've not taken anybody's help, and luck is going to shine on you finally. Again, your last suggestion card is you have it all in you. You are amazing. You can do everything, be it the devil or the better one. It's like you have it all in you. You do anything and you're going to achieve it. So it's beautiful. Let's take out the other cards now, what they say. Okay. Life change card has come out as grief work. There's a lot of pink and black and red. Red talks about our base root chakra, and black talks about getting rid of negative energy or leaving something behind. And pink talks about with a lot of love, be kind to yourself, have that love for yourself. Grief work, this could also mean that you have to leave a part of something in your life now, or it's already happened, or it's going to happen now with you. It could be a pet, it could be a family member, it could be old self which is not anymore required, old lifestyle, anything that you have to get rid of, or you're going to say bye for good. It could be friendships as well. Something like this is going to happen now with you, or it has already happened. Your divine card is karma releasing. That's why probably this card has also come, the one which I was just speaking of before, grief work. As you can see, the colors are almost similar. Here it is saying that now the cycles are turning. For something new to begin, something has to stop or something has to end. So your karma is releasing now. Just be good to yourself and understand that this has to happen and this had to happen. So be a little, take it in a very spiritual way. As you can see, purple here and here talks about the base, the crux of your mind should be spiritual, accepting things as they are and not making any other meaning of it. Your energy is coming door to personal happiness and healing. Now this card also talks about, if you see the number, it's 3 and 4. Now 3 is talking about Guru, planet Jupiter. 4 talks about Rahu. Now if you join them together, it's 4, 5, 6, 7, which turns out to be number 7 for Ketu, which is again a spiritual planet. And if you don't take it as spirituality, this could lead to chaos. So what they're trying to say is to calm your mind, which is Rahu, you need to listen to the people around you who are going to give you good advices. Here, the key to personal happiness and healing is through spirituality, where you will be able to move on in your life. Your angel message is amazing. It's eternal love. The prayer that you can talk or say before sleeping is, help me perceive all the love that surrounds me so that I can feel safe receiving, expressing and giving love. It's as simple as what it's saying here. You need to literally be nice to yourself and be genuine and nice to everybody around you as well. Ganesha's message is amazing. Empowerment. Now, if you see this yellow, talks about our sacral chakra. There's a lot of yellow. Empowerment talks about willpower, talks about the will to do something. And if you decide on something, you can do it anyways. You can do it because if you remember the tarot, magician card, can you see there's yellow here as well? Almost the same colors. So you have the capability in you, you have the will. You just have to make up your mind now and be in that state of mind to achieve it all, or to just take a break from everything else and decide where you want to put your energies in. It's a very beautiful card. In the end, I'll take out a miracle message. Let's go with this. By spreading loving energy, I attract more love. I don't think I need to explain this. It's as simple as it says. I hope this reading was helpful to you. This was the first group. Let's start with the second group of people who have chosen this pyramid. Please put a question in your mind to which I can answer you in a yes or no. And answer is sadly a no. You've really been not sleeping well. You've been fighting with people internally, externally, emotionally, physically. It's been really strugglesome time for you and you're feeling really burdened. Even then, your answer is a no. Let's see what the suggestion card says. Don't stay frustrated, because I see you're going to get a lot of frustrations here in your life, but you need to avoid that. For that, we'll just see what all the other cards are saying and then we'll get down to the suggestion again. Your life change card is sobriety. You can see there's a lot of purple, green, yellow, black, a lot of colors mixed here. See, you need to be taking things in control now. Be sober about them. Just take things as they are coming to you. A lot of people are probably watching you right now, and any reaction from you would just probably make them think what you are not. So this is the time to take control of your life. Yellow, I always say, is the color of willpower. Even orange is, but yellow is literally a color which helps us do the right thing and what is required in. And green talks about our heart. So please think from the heart what you need to change, how you need to control. Try and bring some balance in your life right now. Your divine message is call to action, which is amazing. Now there's a lot of blue, if you can see. So the blue color talks about our throat chakra always. And it's also saying call to action. Lead by example, walk the talk. Now here this card is saying clearly what I just mentioned before, that maybe a lot of people are watching right now what you're going through and how you're handling this situation. So you need to not only, whatever advices you've given to people up till now it's time for you to work on them, to act on the way you think literally, because you're being watched by a lot of people. Okay. Your energy card is amazing, the sun. Again, a lot of green and yellow. So I would say you will achieve it by maintaining your balance in life. You have to keep your energy like the sun. You cannot let go, because probably you're giving out a lot of hope to people around you. Whether, you yourself, you're suffering or not, or whatever has happened, you still need to keep going on this path. Your angel message is amazing. Let go of fear now. It's beautiful. So whatever is, can you see there is let go of fear now, and there's this guy standing with a sword, and there's this light right in the, our third eye. This talks about foreseeing things. And like I said, you have the power, you cannot let yourself and others down around you. So right now, don't think about how things are going. Just have that faith that at the end, everything will work out fine. You need to light yourself up a little. And again, your Ganesha message is blue, which is the throat chakra, that says be candid. Now again, if you see the message, the numeric is 25. That turns out to be 7. Again, spiritual number. Either you can control your energies and be a little spiritual and balance yourself, or number 7 can make you deluded, illusional, and go crazy in a way and get frustrated. So don't use that energy to put your power down. Use that energy in the right way. If you think you are unable to control your speech right now, this is what you need to do. Throat chakra. Start chanting a mantra which is going to help you calm down, or start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trust me, it's a very silly thing when you hear that if you're angry, start counting. but it is one of the therapies that is used for aggressive people. I'm not saying you're an aggressive person, but this is going to help you a lot. If you don't want to count, you can say 5 times Om or any other mantra that you feel comfortable with. Let's take out a miracle message for you. When I have overshared, I simply say, wait, why am I talking? Can you see the resemblance to the cards that are coming to your throat chakra? It's as simple as that, you need to relax yourself before you react. Relax before reacting, and everything else will fall in its own place. I hope this reading has helped you guys. God bless you all. Let's get down to the third group of people who have chosen this third option. Please put a question in your mind to which I can answer you in a yes or a no. And your answer is a yes. You've been waiting for it, some financial gain, some savings, something that you wanted from a long time, and now it's time for this new beginning. The answer is a yes. Your suggestion card is it's time. I always say Judgment card to be the boss. So simple, it's time, you're being blessed, your prayers are being answered. Very simple. I'm not going to, push further on it. Again, your life change card is Windfall. Windfall is the card of spiritual blessings, divine blessings, financial gains, happiness, emotional fulfillment, just a windfall of luck and happiness around you. It's time. Your divine message is Jesus. Jesus is always standing for forgiveness, but if you see here, the colors are blue. So that talks about if you literally have to go somewhere and be the bigger one and go and apologize to the people who probably you think have done you wrong, even then, now is the time for you to forgive. Only if you forgive, you get more blessings in return. Simple as that. You need to bring out this best part in you right now. Your energy is anxiety. Probably you're not very comfortable in forgiving people per se, as in you just say it probably in your mind that you're forgiving, but inside somewhere something is causing you anxiety. You might be overthinking also, so you need to stop doing that. As simple as that. Your angel messages, your inner guidance is real and trustworthy. Now, only if you start thinking positive, this is what this card stands for. You don't have to be anxious and start thinking negative and divert your energy. We manifest everything ourselves. The universe doesn't know the negative and the positive. The universe just understands energy. So it's up to you whether you give out positive or negative. Your Ganesha message is understanding. It is a beautiful card. Now, if you see again, the number here is 13, and which totals to 4. That talks about Rahu. Now, you're seeing things well, but you need to understand them to the deeper level and not bother yourself. Look, understand, don't react. This is what the cards are saying. That's why Jesus card had also come, explaining you that you are seeing everything. Don't react, understand. Probably the other person is also in a different mode of life, a phase of life. Everyone is going through something, but for you, your suggestion is to stay calm and just understand that you need to probably step back or forgive the other person. Be the better one. Your miracle message here is I release my need to be perfect and I center into my commitment to serve the world more love. This makes perfect sense to what I had just said. Understand. Be the bigger one. Be the better person. Be the person with a bigger heart. Don't react, Just don't have that need to be correct. Sometimes being right isn't, the ultimate. You have to understand, even if the other person is being wrong, you need to understand maybe this is not the time for you to confront people and be correct. Just understand they must be going through something and spread more love. I hope this reading helped. Let's get down to the last group of people who have chosen this stone. Please put a question in your mind to which the answer is. Your answer is a no. A lot of disappointment. You need to rest. You need to literally rest now and be a little kind to yourself. You need to stop whatever it is that you're doing. The answer is a no. Your suggestion card is Ace of Cups. Now, try to understand the situation in a way, if things are not working, probably they are for the good. See the good in this situation right now, as hard as it may be. Okay? Let's get down to your other cards. Your life change card is hobbies. Now, simple. Whatever it is that is troubling you, and if things have not turned out your way, like I had just said a minute ago, this is the time for you to concentrate on something else, something that is going to give you good returns, something that is going to divert your mind from panicking, from thinking negative thoughts. Just try and divert your mind in some hobbies. Now, hobbies literally can be just about anything. If you just want to take a break and relax, do that. I had just said it in the cards of tarot also that you need to take a break. And I feel you should take, if it's a short-term thing, then you take a break for 4 days. Otherwise, 4 weeks is minimum time that is coming out for you to take a break. Just do anything. Your divine card is Soul Flame Radha. Rediscover a part of yourself. It's time for healing and harmony. Now, I just explained it in the in the card of the butterfly, that you need to take a break. You need to start doing something else. Radha is a symbol of eternal love without expectation. So this is what you need to bring out in you right now. Okay? And if you're a follower of Krishna probably, then this is also a message for you that you should follow Krishna ji or do some jap for Radha or whatever you can understand from this. But this basically means that you need to bring out the best of eternal love, giving to the people around you and for yourself. Your energy message is indecision. Now it's clear because your tarot was so confusing and no answer was coming a yes. So it's pretty clear that you're still indecisive. This could also mean that you have a lot of things to do and you're unable to decide where to go. Your angel message is the person you're asking about is trustworthy. I don't think I need to explain this. If at all this is concerning, this might, resonate with just a few of you who are watching the last group. This is a very direct answer. I don't think I have to explain this. And your Ganesha message is courage. It's very simple, saying as it is. You need to bring that courage in you to take a break from your normal life, to give yourself another chance, to rest. Even taking a break from normal life is a part of having that courage. Because sometimes you think, how can I do it? I have so many responsibilities. How can I do this? But this can also talk about having the courage of being kind to yourself and taking a break for yourself. Maybe this is how you will rejuvenate your, manifestations or your wishes or yourself for that matter. Let's take out a last miracle message. And your message is, I share my light with the world. Again, as simple as it's saying, be kind to yourself so that you can spread that kindness as well. This was the reading for today. Did not come on camera because really was not in a mood, but I really wanted to record one. I hope you all liked it. If you did, please do hit the like button. Follow me on Instagram at triambaka.in because I've been posting there daily inspirational messages and sometimes manifesting rituals. So please follow me there. Till next video, take care all of you. जय भोले.